Welcome back to Grimmercraft. Today I'm going to show you how to make a basic zipper pull like one of these out of some leftover paracord. I had this leftover from making this earlier. So I used the Manny method. I don't know if you can tell right there. Manny method to join that together so I can use this for this weave. I guess let's jump into it. Just going to do a basic Cobra weave. Just like the last video I did. Remember to always start with this, I guess you would say bigger side, the upper side. You always start with that one. Doesn't take much to do this. Pretty quick, actually. I like to make them, it's a little bit over an inch. Probably do one more weave. That'd be about it. There we go. Pretty tight. It's about that long. About where I want it. Let go here. Now, I'm going to show a couple different ways of finishing also. Go ahead and cut these off. Key is not to cut too far down. See, I haven't started out using a file off of a pair of pliers. Still leaves a nice finish, but you can also use, a pair of scissors or a little tool like this. You just want something smooth. Or you can use this, the Marlin tool, if I can get it into focus here. Get it. Probably not. But anyway, I'm going to do a couple of burns with each of those and show you. Cinch it. Make sure it's all burning together. And just kind of roll it back and forth. Now, I have noticed that for some reason it cools off a lot quicker using this. There you go. Now you can see the detail, kind of like a diamond pattern almost. It cools it off a lot quicker than using this for some reason. So you got to be quick with it. There you go. It's kind of hard to tell the design with the colors, but got that nice little design. So if you want smooth, just use a tool like that or a pair of scissors or even the end of your lighter. This side we'll use the pair of pliers. Again, put it on there and kind of roll it. A little too much, but yeah, I might have cut that a little too long. Kind of blotched out there. Kind of hard to tell the design finishing it. We'll do 2 of them. We'll do the flat this time. Did find a little deal also that if you kind of have edges, you can take that file and kind of file it down a little bit. And I've noticed that works to kind of file it or to get it smoother so you're not having such rough edges. But yeah, that's about it. Pretty simple, small, quick. Could have been a lot cleaner, but there you go. You got a little zipper pull. Another to add to the collection. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like.